Say hi, Kobe.
Wow.
Hi, Kobe. Hi. You love the snow? Oh, not there. There, oh. Ganda. Ganda. Fit check nga.
My dada peaceful. Okay.
Say hi, Kobe. We're going to Shirakawa-go. Punta na po kami. Maaga ang gising. Si Kobe nagpa-heat-tech na.
Kasi ang sarap ng tulog niya. Simula 8 o'clock hanggang 6.
2 hours and 30 minutes daw yung travel time. Tapos pag heavy yung snow sa road, baka mas mabagal pa daw yung andar ng kotse. And since December 29 yun, Sunday pa, weekend, marami daw namamasyal doon. Kaya baka may traffic pa. Kaya check natin, sana makapunta tayo doon. Makarating tayo doon mga 9 or 10. Experience natin snow. Sabi sa forecast, may snow daw habang nandun tayo. May snowfall. Sana experience natin yan. Is Kobe excited? Wow! But the snow. It's snowing. It's snowing, guys. Can you see the snow? Can you see the snow? Okay. Look at the snow, Kobe. Hi. Sobrang lamig. Kobe, say hi to Tita Maji. Hi, Tita Maji.
Si Kobe naka-gymnastics.
Say hi, Kobe. Say hi.
Tita Marie! Tita Marie!
nakaswim sa snow, make snow angels. Oh, we're slowing down because the road is slippery. We're slowing down na. Kobe, where's the snow? Can you count? Oo, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Sobrang kapal ng snow, ang lakas ng snow. Covered na yung roads. Tapos medyo traffic na kasi mabagal na yung andar kasi madulas na yung kalsada. Tapos yung iba nagpapalit pa ng winter tires. Ito na yung snow ngayon. Medyo madulas na yung daan kaya kailangan mag-ingat. Kasi talagang dumudulas o iikot yung mga kotse. Pag masyadong mabilis ka sa ganitong weather. Is that snow?
Oh no! Wow!
Say hi, Kobe. Hi. Are you happy? Are you happy? Wow. Oh, careful, Kobe. Careful. Just walk. No running. Mama, look daw. Hi, Dada and Kobe, oh. Hi, Kobe. Are you happy?
Are you happy, baby?
Are you happy? Boom, kamusta?
Lamig. Meron na yun na lamig. So hot, baby.
Ano?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Chobes. Do you love the snow? Oh, not there. There, oh. Ganda. Ganda. Fit check nga.
Oh, lamig.
Kobe! Wow! Mommy!
Kobe, say hi, vlog.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy? You're throwing the snow to the vlog? Grabe.
Ay. Wait, baby. Okay, okay.
Taas mo lang.
Yes. Anak up. Yes. I know. Yung hands niya.
Yes!
Ouch yung hands mo.
Poppy, Hayaan mo lang yung hands niya.
Oo nga.
Kobe, did you see the snow?
Yes.
Did you play in the snow? Did you see Olaf?
No.
No. Do you want to play in the snow? Do you want to play in the snow?
No, no,
No, no. What did you see? Are you happy?
no, 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 no.
Sus. So silly. So si Kobe, nung una, gusto maglaro. Gusto magpababa, gusto maglaro dun. Nagbabato siya ng snow. Gumagawa ng snowballs. Tapos, eventually, nabasa yung gloves niya. Nung nabasa yung gloves niya, pinatanggal niya. Tapos ayaw niya na ibalik. Tapos, nag-iaya sa car kasi hungry na daw siya. Kobe, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Look at the excavator, oh. Covered sa snow, oh. So ngayon, kakain muna kami para hindi na cranky ito. Tsaka si Mommy joins. Gutom na din. Grabe, ang haba ng pila, oh. Lahat papuntang Shirakawa. Opo, Mi. Ayan, grabe pala yung traffic, oh. Ang layo niyan. Kumusta ang beef? Sarap. Sarap. Sirloin. Hida beef. Sirloin Hida beef. Ang signature beef sa Shirakawa, sa Gifu.
Meron pa?
Tupi, kamusta?
Sarap.
Great. Grabe guys. Tignan niyo yung traffic. Lahat yan papunta sa Shirakawa Go. Ngayon, nasa ano na eh, 1:30 PM na. Pero yan, traffic pa rin. Hanggang sa dulo yan ng Shirakawa Go. Nagbe-build up na dito. So, sabi ni Kuya, yung mga bus daw na yan, it takes 4 or even 5 to 6 hours makaabot lang sa Shirakawa Go, na what's usually a 2.5 hour travel time. So grabe yung traffic, ang haba ng traffic kanina. Hurry! Si Fish, hurry! Mag-selfie vlog ka. Hi guys, we're in Takayama, the old village. Malamig. Saya. So, hi Kobe, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Takayama. It's 2:30 PM. Ganda ni Mama. Ganda sila. Oh, ganda ni Mama ni Choco. Ay, hinahabol tayo ng snow. Come on. Okay, Rina ni Daddy, come here.
We'll fix.
Hi, Kobe. Where's Kobe? Ay, mommy, where's Kobe na? Ay, there's Kobe pala. Is that Kobe Kayon? Ah, Kobe Kayon snow? Okay, you like to play in the snow? Oh, you like the snow pala? Yes. Yes. You like playing in the snow? Let's go. So ito yung UNESCO Heritage Site na Old Village. Kaso close ngayon eh. Sunday eh. Sayang di tayo naka-visit. So pumunta kami dun sa shopping street lang. Sakto lang. Do you like the snow? Oh, go to the car na. Go inside the car. Go inside the car. Oh. So this is the UNESCO, I think, heritage site na Old Village. Tajimaya Jinya. So closed siya. Doon. Closed siya ngayon. Hindi na nga pala, hida beef kami. Ang sarap, grabe. Ang sarap. Yung hida beef sirloin yung kinain namin, napakasarap. Sarap. Tapos, kinain rin yung Kobe roast beef. So, ang sarap. Ang dami niya kinain. Japanese rice. Grabe, ang sarap ng sauce. Umami talaga. Tapos natutunaw. Hindi naman natutunaw, pero yung taba natutunaw sa ang sarap. Grabe.
Tata.